Alright, this is a video on how to print your completed 3.7 sheet so that everything fits on one page. Now, the way that you're going to do this is dependent upon how your layout, where you've placed information, but the key features of how you format it are the same. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to select, highlight all your cells that have all the information. And you want to make sure that you include all edges of your graph, otherwise it's going to not be right. Once you do that, you're going to go to File, Print, and this time we're going to choose the GHS or the GHPLTWP9. That's the one that's in the room and it's color. And then you have some settings here. You can choose to print an active sheet. That would be the tab that you're currently on at the bottom. You'll see here that it actually formats everything to 3 pages, and that's not what we want. What we want to do is we want to change it to print selection, and that means anything that we've highlighted we are going to print. We want it printed one-sided. Now, how we have it oriented, if we want it portrait, which means standing tall, or landscape, which means laying flat, that depends on how it's going to fit on our image. But you can see here that I still have 4 pages, which is a pain. There's some scaling options that you have where you can fit it all on one page. If we choose that, then you can see that my portrait, although small, contains all the information that I need. I can mess around with the orientation if I choose landscape to see if that helps us out or if it hurts. And in my layout, the landscape orientation actually makes it a little bit more readable. So play around with those, and then you can hit print when you're done, and that's how you get it all on one sheet. If you want to save it as a PDF to attach to Google Classroom, you can go through that same process. So File, Print, and instead of doing the GHS PLTW, you're going to choose Microsoft Print to PDF, and you do the same thing. So if you hit print, it's going to actually open up a command to save your file, and you would save it to your shared folder that I've created for you underneath your name. So I'm going to share it. I'm going to print it in the public file, and I'll type in my name. I mean, actually do a name, not that. That's random. All right, that's how you go ahead and print a document.